Wow, it's a stick ball, and I can't believe it. The stick ball is shaped like a little piece of poopy. It's so cute. Ooh, that feels so strange. Comment down below if you've ever felt one of these. They don't feel like a regular squishy. Whoa, and they stretch? That's crazy. Oh, it looks like Biggie wrote us a note. Let's go ahead and read it. Poop squishy. Oh my, what could be inside? Biggie. He always wants to know what's inside these things. Okay, let's cut it open. You know what? Let's play with it for a little bit. It's just so much fun. Wow. It's so incredible. Ooh. Look how weird that is. Like, it's shaped, but look, it's going back to normal now. Let's see. Okay, so I'm ready to cut it open. Comment down below what you think might be inside of this. I have no idea. What in the world is this stuff? Did you see it? Oh. It feels so weird. It's like amazing. Wow. Do you see all this stuff? There's more. Wow. Can you believe this is what's inside the Poopsie surprise? It's like a little Poopsie. It's so crazy. Well, if you like this video, down below you're welcome to like it. Subscribe to my channel. Become a member of the Spirella family, where you can see more crazy and silly things my elf on the shelf do. Well, as always, I love my elves on the shelf. Thanks so much for watching.